Hi, this is Mark from Mark 2 Enterprises, once again in Blackstone, Massachusetts, working on an ice dam. And the job has several different areas that have been affected by an obvious ice dam from the gutters. You can see up here we actually drilled some holes and we set up the octopus, and we're actually drying it. Also between the windows we have some moisture in there. Those were all 100% wet, and pretty much all the way down to the ground, right to the hardwood. We had to drill some holes. You can see how soft the sheetrock was there. They actually crumbled when we started to remove it. We hooked up the octopus here, as well as on the bottom over here, in through the wall, and once again up to the ceiling, right through all the water damage spots. And we're drying that as we speak. And we have the infrared. I'm going to look through that. You can see the moisture up there, and you can just see the heat in there. And just see all the red, all the dark. You can actually see the heat going right through these hoses. On this job here in the center of this room, we're actually using the new Eliminator XL. This is one that has no thermostat. It's automatically preset for 140 degrees. It actually takes and blows hot heat up to 140, but nothing more than 140. And it goes into the ceiling or into the walls. Anywhere you are, you can just see all the heat, and the moisture is just evaporating. All those areas we've had this on here since yesterday, they're looking pretty good. We also have in the bathroom, we had to hook up an area where we have the octopus in here as well, and we're drying the other wall from the inside wall here. See all the moisture damage here in the ceiling. The walls had moisture in them as well. So we set up the octopus in here, and that is drying around all this, drying the walls. These baseboards are going to have to be removed. We'll drill some more holes in there, and we're going to get in there and dry that out too. So that inside wall from the other side will also be dried. And we walk into the sunroom, and in the sunroom is where the majority of the damage was. As you can see, we have the octopus set up in here, and we have the tentacles everywhere. We just spread them out anywhere where there was moisture. We hit pretty much every spot in there, and where there was moisture, we're swapping them around as we find more moisture or where it's moved. This room, we're using the new Eliminator. This is the standard R model. This has a thermostat, which you can see right here. The thermostat right now reads 138 degrees. We have it preset at 140. Once that pretty much gets up to 140, it will reset itself, and it will pretty much just reset and start over, and it'll go down to probably 80 degrees and then get back up to 140, and it won't go any higher. We can set it for higher. We really never needed to. Once again, in here I got the infrared camera. You can see the pockets of moisture in the ceiling, but look where we have all the infrared there shows pretty much that's drying right now, and this is the second day this has been running. We're really moving around. We'll move that to the left or the right corner of that window, and we'll get in there and dry that pocket next. And in the ceiling you can see the moisture in there, but anywhere where you can see them all up there, all the octopus, see that's pretty much bone dry or getting dry, and you can just see the heat entering the ceiling and the walls, and it's just really doing its job fantastically. So once again, this is Mark from Mark 2 Enterprises, and you can see this product really works. We have 3 other rooms upstairs, 2 more bathrooms. I'll film them probably today or tomorrow. But you can see over here in this bottom, the carpet here was saturated. We actually used the top-down method where we're using the axial fan, and the axial fan here actually just faces down. The wheels are on the bottom. You drive that right into the carpet, and the heat and everything just continuously dries it. Still a tad bit of moisture in there, so we're going to pop that thing back on. But that is it, folks. Once again, Mark from Mark 2 Enterprises, 508-883-3338, full service restoration company, and Restoration Equipment Sales. This is about the new Eliminator. This thing is a fantastic unit, guys. Mark at mark2enterprises.com is our email, but that's mark at mark2-enterprises.com, and the website is mark2-enterprises.com. Thanks again, guys. We'll film the upstairs next and talk to you soon.